Hello, welcome back to Health is Wealth, where we always discuss about health tips and tricks. Today we are going about discuss about planks. Full plank. Hold a straight body position from head to heels with arms fully extended. Engage the core and avoid arching the back. Number 2. The elbow plank. Support your weight on forearms with elbows beneath shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core muscles. Number 3. Raised leg plank. Hold an elbow plank while lifting one leg off the ground. This challenges balance and engage your glutes and core. Number 4. Side plank. Support your body on one arm, keeping your body in a straight line. This targets your flank and side core muscles. So this was for today. Repeat every exercise for 30 seconds. While the first one is recommended for 1 minute, or other 3 are recommended for the 30 seconds. So we'll see you in the next video. Stay fit and stay strong. Thank you.